Alright, first off, sorry if I rushed through this. I'm in a bit of a rush. So, here's our Appalachian Trail Festival. We have a image view, we have a text view, two text views up top, we have a button, and then we have another text view, I believe, for our text reservation. Here's the XML code for that. We have a linear layout for all our property constraints, referencing everything. Here's our text view for the title. Here's our text view for our description. Here is our button tickets. And here is our text for our reservation display. Over here for main activity, we start out by initiating a class variable text view reservation. We make that a private. Here we reference our controls, so reservation equals text view. Find that with the text reservation control. Then our button for button tickets for our button tickets control. Then we create an on-click listener for button tickets, which will have our date picker get the date for the current date on your system, I believe, and then it'll display that. So see get calendar year, calendar month, and then the day of the month, and it'll show that. Here we create an instance of the calendar class that we reference up here. So C equals calendar.getInstance. Then we create an instance for our date format class. So date format date equals date format dot get distance or get date instance. And here we initiate our on date set listener and on date set methods to respond to our user input. So we have our date picker dialog that'll pop up. Whenever they hit the button, this will pop up and it'll show them the calendar, and then this will get our year, pass it over to our int year variable. This will get the month, pass it over to month of the year variable, day of the month variable, and then this is for our reservation control. This is what's going to be displayed. So reservation set the text to your festival tickets are available on, and then we add our format date, our date format down here. And this is what that looks like. So Appalachian Trail Festival, join us for a year-long festival celebration of daily hikes throughout the yada yada yada. This is our select the desired date button. Calendar comes up, we'll pick the 17th, hit OK, and your festival tickets are available on April 17th, 2019. Moving over to the dog sled one. Exact same layout. We got image view, two text views right here, a button, and an empty text view. Here's the XML code for that. Pretty straightforward, same thing as before. Change this name to button date is pretty much it. And then we have the whole same setup, private variable for text view called a reservation. We reference the controls, so here's our display control and then our button control. And we create on-click listener for the buttons, which will get the current date on the calendar and display that. Then we create an instance of our calendar class, call it C, create an instance of our data format date, and then we implement our methods for user input. So exact same thing here, date picker dialog on said listener, and then we call it D, have it referenced up here. And this gets the year entered, the month of the year entered, and the day of the month entered, and then it'll pretty much display it in our text reservation control. Your tickets will be available on the format date selected, and this is what that looks like. Made it purple, dog sledding experience in Alaska. Here's our description. Pick a date for the sledding experience, 22nd. Your tickets will be available on April 22nd. Alright, and that's it.